As the oncoming vehicle passed, the little girl suddenly bolted across the street. Our submitter told us his Tesla's A-pillar blocked his view and he wasn't able to see her until she was directly in front of his car. Automatic emergency braking brought the car to a sudden halt before our submitter had any chance to react to what was happening. He told us he and his son Aiden watch Wham Bam videos together every evening before bedtime. And he's thankful that his Tesla's safety features made it possible for this little girl to be able to say goodnight to her parents before bedtime. Keep an eye on this silver Toyota because the driver is about to wreak havoc on Vaughn's life and total his brand new Tesla. Vaughn is an active duty member of the United States Space Force, and on this fateful day he was driving home from a work event with a friend sitting in the passenger seat. Full self-driving was active, and Vaughn was supervising his Tesla while chatting with his friend about how smooth FSD's driving is. His Tesla slowed down as it caught up with traffic, and that's when Vaughn noticed a Toyota rapidly approaching from behind in his rearview mirror. The Toyota slammed into the back of his Tesla so quickly, he didn't even have a chance to warn his friend about what was happening. Based on Vaughn's Teslacam footage, it looks like the Toyota driver hadn't even attempted to brake, swerving instead before crashing into the back of his Tesla. Both drivers pulled over and called the police. When officers arrived, they reviewed Vaughn's Teslacam footage before estimating that the Toyota driver had rear-ended his Tesla at approximately 45 miles per hour. We told you Vaughn's Tesla was brand new, and he'd literally taken delivery just a few days before this happened. He managed to save $12,500 US using tax credits right before they ended. When he made a claim with Tesla Insurance, they estimated repair costs at over $43,000 before totaling the vehicle. They valued his vehicle at $54,000, but the Toyota driver only had a $50,000 insurance policy. Vaughn told us he'd love to buy another Tesla, but with the tax credits no longer available, he can't afford one. For now, he's driving his mom's 2014 Ford Fusion around. Ouch! This submitter was driving his Model X down an interstate highway in California when he witnessed something we've never featured on Wham Bam Teslacam before. A pickup driver swerved onto the shoulder before losing control and pit maneuvering a semi-truck. The trucker swerved across the entire highway, causing the trailer to tip over and taking the cab with it. As soon as our submitter realized what had happened, he pulled over before backing up to the collision scene. In the meantime, the pickup driver who'd caused the situation fled the scene. Our submitter checked on the driver of the flipped semi before summoning the California Highway Patrol. When troopers arrived, he let them sit in his Tesla to watch this footage. While they reviewed the video, he remembered he'd passed the pickup just a few minutes before the wreck occurred. Incredibly, his Teslacam had captured a perfect shot of the pickup's license plate. Using the plate number, troopers were able to easily locate the hit-and-run driver. Nice job! Remember a few minutes ago when we said we've never featured a flipping semi on our channel before? Well, it happened twice in 1 week. Edward's brother was driving his Model Y home from work when he watched a trucker drift onto the shoulder before colliding with a parked vehicle. After the collision, the semi left the road completely before flipping over in a field. Thankfully, the parked vehicle wasn't occupied, but this is a great example of why stopping on the side of the road is incredibly dangerous. Charlie had left his Model S parked at an airport parking garage while on a business trip. When he returned late in the evening, he got right into his Tesla and drove straight home. The next day, he discovered a deep scratch down the driver's side of the car. He was shocked, and he immediately checked his Sentry mode footage before discovering the vandal, with his face clearly captured on video. In the front camera, we see an unidentified individual keying another Tesla before he spots and approaches Charlie's Model S. He then keys it too, before stepping back and admiring his handiwork.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
The rear camera captured footage of the vandal getting into his own vehicle after he'd finished. Charlie called the airport garage and asked for their help finding the criminal who'd vandalized his car, and they told him he'd have to come all the way back to the airport and make a police report. He proceeded to do just that. The police then informed him that even with the clear video evidence of the crime, they couldn't do anything about it. They'd either need the guy's license plate number or his exact identification. Charlie asked the manager of the garage to check their security cams for the vandal's license plate number, and he said he would, but 2 days later he called Charlie back to tell him he wasn't able to get any useful info from the footage. Now Charlie needs your help to bring this Tesla vandalizing criminal to justice. If you know who he is, contact us right away and we'll pass the information along. Let's make sure this guy is stopped before he does this to anybody else. Josh was driving down a Maryland highway when he approached traffic that had slowed down for collision wreckage blocking the passing lane. As he cautiously approached, he was shocked by what happened next. A Tesla driver swerved around traffic, passing cars on the narrow shoulder before threading the needle between Josh's Tesla and other vehicles. The speeding Tesla driver nearly lost control and collided with stopped traffic, but they somehow managed to avoid disaster before racing away. This has got to be one of the most reckless Tesla drivers we've ever seen, and they've definitely earned the jingle.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
This submitter was actually the passenger riding in the back of his friend's Model 3 when this happened. Out of nowhere, 2 Toyota Camrys dove in front of the Tesla simultaneously. One turned into the left lane while the other took the right, completely blocking the road and leaving our submitter's friend with no way to avoid a collision. Even though he slammed on the brakes, he ended up rear-ending both Camrys. Our submitter did tell us he thinks his friend is partially to blame for the collision, considering his excessive speed at the time. He doesn't know the details about the insurance claim or repair costs, but he does know his friend's Model 3 was totaled by the collision. Thankfully, nobody was seriously injured, and everyone involved was able to walk away. Gordon was heading home with his 7-year-old son Henry after his hockey team's photo day. Gordon already had his eyes on a loud Mustang being driven aggressively. Suddenly, and through no fault of the Mustang drivers, it was hit by a yellow Jeep when the driver tried to cross every lane as they left a gas station. The collision caused the Mustang to flip in what he said was the most severe wreck he's ever witnessed. Plenty of bystanders rushed to help the involved drivers. Gordon told us he contacted the police and the provincial insurance company, offering them his Teslacam footage. Dylan was working as a rideshare driver in Dallas when he watched a power line fall off a pole before contacting another line, triggering a huge shower of sparks. At first, Dylan thought a transformer had exploded, but reviewing his Teslacam footage revealed what had actually happened. At the time, he says it definitely spooked both him and his passenger. Everyone knows that long road trips can get boring, but this guy must have been on a very long trip. They say ride or die, but this guy took that advice a little too literally. No, you didn't like that one? Okay, how about this? There's one passenger who will never complain about the driver's choice of music. Still not satisfied? How about this? Looks like his Tinder date didn't go so well. What, you think you can do better? Leave your best joke in the comments and vote for the ones you think are funny. Whoever gets the most upvotes on their joke will win a Wham Bam hat. Just be sure to subscribe so you won't miss the announcement of the winner in 2 weeks. Yuri was driving down a Canadian highway when he spotted a rather uniquely modified Tesla Model S. You know we love Teslacam footage, but this guy is taking things to a whole other level with a freaking camera crane on his Tesla. We did some research and found out this Tesla belongs to a company called Filmotechnic Canada. It's their Tesla chase car, a Model S P90D. It's actually a fully equipped chase car featuring reinforced roof and bumper mounts for film equipment. And the company says the Tesla provides an exceptionally dynamic platform for filming. Imagine if someone over there is a Wham Bam fan who someday sends us some footage from that thing. We can dream. Seisha was leaving a parking lot when a Volvo driver ended up under a large truck before the truck pulled forward, rupturing the SUV's tire and sending debris flying. Seisha told us it was a very odd thing to witness, almost like the SUV driver had patiently waited for the truck to run their vehicle over. Seisha stopped to check on the involved drivers. Thankfully, everyone was okay and they were able to exchange information. Tyler was using full self-driving in his Cybertruck when it suddenly slammed on the brakes. Tyler noticed a deer crossing the highway in front of him, but before he could even get his hands on the wheel, FSD was already swerving to avoid the deer. He told us the Teslacam footage doesn't do justice to the rapid reaction time of FSD, but the deer came within inches of being hit by his Cybertruck. Before he even knew what was happening, FSD had already kept him and the deer completely safe. This submitter was on his way to visit family in Oregon when he also encountered a deer in the road. The deer just stood in the middle of the road as our submitter quickly maneuvered around it, managing to avoid spinning out of control. He told us the headlights of oncoming vehicles made it very difficult for him to see the deer in the dark, but his Teslacams had no trouble spotting it thanks to their special glare-resistant coatings. Even so, that was a great save, and his Tesla's low center of gravity definitely came in clutch. Deer in the road are scary enough, but what Andre encountered takes things to a whole new level. He estimated he was going between 75 and 80 miles per hour when he watched a pickup driver 2 lanes to his right brake and swerve before a pedestrian rushed across the highway. Andre told us that traffic behind him was approaching rapidly, so even though he slowed down to avoid hitting the pedestrian, he had to keep moving so he wouldn't be rear-ended. He has no idea what this guy was doing, but for whatever reason, it seemed like he was trying to run across the busy highway to reach the other side. Andre said the situation was pretty scary, and he hopes it will remind everyone watching to pay attention while driving. If that wasn't scary enough for you, watch this episode featuring a Tesla Model S flipping on a mountain road. Or if you've already seen that one, YouTube thinks you haven't seen this one yet, so check it out. Sprint across the highway to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again next week.